Here's how to share your screen during video call on WhatsApp. WhatsApp, one of the most popular messaging platforms, has recently introduced screen sharing during video calls, making it easier to showcase presentations, demonstrate apps, or simply share your screen with friends and family. If you're wondering how to share your screen on WhatsApp, look no further. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get started. Ensure compatibility. Make sure you're using a compatible device with WhatsApp version 2.21.150 or later. Start a video call. Open WhatsApp and start a video call with the person you want to share your screen with. Tap the share screen icon. During the video call, tap the share screen icon in the top right corner of the screen and select the option Allow Screen Sharing. You will be prompted to allow WhatsApp to capture your screen. Tap Start Now to begin sharing your screen. Share your screen. Your screen would now be shared with the person on the video call, and they would be able to see everything on your screen in real time. Stop screen sharing. To stop sharing your screen, tap the Stop Sharing button in the top right corner of the screen.